Animation video right now is going viral across all social media handle, guys. So you can see this is some animation video I generated with a free AI website, guys, which I'm going to guide you step by step process on how you can get to do it with your laptop, guys. With your laptop or your phone, you can use your laptop or your phone with this process, guys. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into this video right now. Okay, the first website that we're gonna be making use right now is called Google Gemini, guy. Google Gemini, guy. So this is a prompt I gave to Google Gemini right now. So I'm telling Google Gemini to write to act as a professional script writer um based on the gene, which is Japan. Okay, so I'm going to write. You can see which is Japan historical. Please write for same story, same story of arc about master. Guys, please don't be annoying with the way I read this out, because I was rushing. Okay, so I will be putting the. You can see this is the 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 command I gave Google Gemini, guy, before it gave me this prompt right now. And also I'll be leaving it in the video description, guys. I'm very sorry how for like I'm very sorry like the way I read it out right now. You can see right now that Google Gemini has given me the prompts I want right now. Okay, so after the thing has given us this, so this is what I gave it again. Please write the character, like write a prompt for this character, which with this will enable us to use another website to create the image right now. And this will enable us to use another website to create the image. So the website that we're going to be making to create this image is called Whisk Guy. I love this website so much right now, and I will also review more about this website called Whisk, guys. It is a website being created by Google right now. Okay, so once you need to copy that and make sure you log this and make sure you set the model to the best quality right now, and then we paste in the prompts we generated from Google Gemini, guys, which is the prompt for the character. And one thing I love about this website, it maintains consistency, guys. This website maintains consistency, guys. That's what I love about this website, and I'm going to reveal it more to you guys right now. Okay, so once we have make use of Google Whisk to generate our image, and also let's try another new thing, guys. So I want us to make use of Google VEO3, guys. Google VEO3. So to generate our video right now, and also I will also guide you on how we can get to use Google Whisk, not for only generating image but also to generate a video, guys, a consistent character video, guys. Okay, with this prompt, guys, don't worry, guys, I'll be leaving the link to the prompt right now so that you can go and copy the prompt and follow the video process right now, guys, and follow the video process. So I love to put my video into video 3 quality, guys. This will enable a good sound, a good camera movement, and also make it more realistic than Google VEO3 fast, guy. I love Google VEO3 quality, guys. This generates a good quality video for me, and I love it so much. You can see it right now. You can see what I have generated with this website. You can see right now that this is awesome. Like right now, this is awesome. So once we are done with this, let's go and download it and let's move to the next step, guys. And this thing is scene by scene, guys. It is being done process by process, guy. And I want to generate the next scene, but this is telling me that it's foul, is like I can't generate it. But let's try a new method right now. Okay, so once, like I said at the beginning of this video, and also, like at the beginning of this video, that I'm also going to be guiding you on how you can get to use Whisk to generate video right now. Okay, so what we are going to do again is to copy the image prompt the way we copy it at the beginning of this video, guys. Okay, so we need to copy it and paste it inside prompt, and also I'm going to show you some camera movements, how we can get to animate it, and so much more, guys. So let's copy it right now. We need to copy that. Okay, so we need to copy the image prompt, and head back to Whisk again and click on generate. I love this website very much because it maintains consistency and also it generates high quality image for us guys. Okay, this is not what we are looking for. It seems we did not copy the prompt completely, guys. We did not copy the prompt completely. Okay, this is what we are looking for. You can see how consistency this is right now, and you can see there is more function. We have subject, we have scene, we have like you can see what we have in that side. We have seen, and we can you can see we have style right now. You can upload a reference image that you want this image that right now to look like, and it's going to generate that for us. Okay, to animate this image is very simple and easy. So let's generate another one, and you can see right now that it's maintain consistency, guys. It's maintain consistency. That's what I love about Whisk, guys. And guys, my next video, I will also show if this video gets more view. I will show you on how you can get to use Whisk details, guys. It's step by step process on how we can get to use Whisk, guys. Okay, so animate this is very simple and easy. You just need to click on the image. You will see a button that say animate to animate this, and it's very simple and easy, guys. Like it's very simple and easy. So I just need to input a simple prompt right there, like animate this character for me in a professional way, which is going to do that right now. Like it's going to do it, which is very simple and easy. We just need to load up right now. Once it has been loaded, and let's see what this website generates for us right now. Let's see what this website generates for us right there. You can see, okay, it's still loading. This is still loading. And you can see right now that this website really generates a professional video, like a professional video for us. It's very simple and easy. If you really gain value from this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I love you. Bye for now, guys.